Hey everybody out there coasting along with the Over 40 protocol, and guess what I have today? Ancestry.com, the entire package. And today I want to go over not your DNA, I want to go over your hormones. Do you need this kind of a kit to check your hormones? No, absolutely not, right? Do you need blood work to check your hormones? Absolutely. How would you even know if your growth hormone, maybe your metabolism, and also your other amazing hormones, leptin, all these different hormones that you have in your body are tanking? How would you even know? I'm gonna tell you today, and I'm gonna answer that question, and it doesn't take a kit, which I'm super excited, because oh, by the way, you see that link around here? Don't click it, don't touch it, and don't even look at it yet, but I have a one-day solution at the end of this short video that's gonna help you determine, without an Ancestry.com kit that takes 6 to 8 weeks, without that, you're gonna be able to tell if your hormones are being compromised, okay? And by the way, this kit, I'm super excited because I've been told I was Italian and Polish, but this kit's gonna tell me, and I can't wait, because who knows what you really are until you do one of these, right? Just like who knows if your hormones are all operating at optimal level unless you absolutely do a couple different things. One, you're gonna go get a blood work done. Yeah, I know it takes time. You got to get pricked, you got to give blood, you got to do all these things, but guess what? You don't really have to do that to determine if your hormones are being compromised. I'm going to tell you how you can determine that in 1 second. Now, like I said, don't click the link. I got something for you at the end of this that's a one-day solution that helps reset your hormones, okay? Now listen, I have been training and I've been nutritionally helping moms, dads, professional athletes, military, Olympians for over 20 plus years, okay? Number one thing that has been determined by all of these people that I have been in contact, and I've been so blessed to help, is that the nutrition is not all the same for everyone. Now you hear about the keto, the paleo, the vegan diets, right? Nutrition system, you got all these different turbo shakes, Weight Watchers. What works? Is it just a fad, or is there something that you can stick with without having to get your DNA checked or checking your hormones by going to the doctor and having blood work done, which we all know costs hundreds of dollars? Key components here, okay? Number one, biggest way to know if your hormones are all working on all cylinders is your midsection right here. If this is holding on, if you're over the age of 40, like me, I'm 46 years old, and this is holding on and it will not release and burn off, chances are your hormones are on the decline, okay? That is a known fact, and I can tell you for over 20 plus years, anytime someone comes to me over the age of 35, but when they're over 40, I can always pinpoint almost every single time that it's either the hormones or the thyroid up here, that little butterfly gland, is being affected by the hormones and then tanking and realizing that this will not release, okay? That's the number one factor right there to know if your hormones are on all cylinders, okay? So, again, I got a one-day solution, so stick with me, okay? This thing has taken over 20 plus years, matter of fact. See this? Carbohydrates. If you're on ketogenic diet, you cannot have this. No, it's zero or little carbs. Zero, do you hear me? Or little carbs. Unfortunately, the ketogenic diet will not allow you to do that. Will it allow you to do this? Yes, tons of this. You can have tons of lard, tons of this. Matter of fact, the entire diet every day is made up of 80% lard. I know, it's ridiculous. Less than 20% protein, which then how do you even maintain lean muscle mass, especially being over the age of 40? I can't even imagine being 50, 60, 70 years old and not having enough protein to keep the lean muscle mass on my body. That's what keeps us strong, keeps us from falling over, right? It keeps us being able to lift up the grandkids. It keeps us being able to take in the groceries. So important. So, this you can have a ton of, you know? As far as carbohydrates go, guess what? This right here, you can have some, this is bacon, right? I have some bacon, you can have some of that, right? But you're not getting any of this. We love pasta in this household. If you want this back in your diet, I have a way to strategically put that back in your diet starting right now. You want an instant impact. If you want the solution First, do me a favor right now. Hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share for me down here. Share this with a coworker, a friend, a family member, somebody down here. So hit that like, hit that heart, hit that share. If you love this information and you want more from me, do me a favor right now in the comments below, put in capital letters, I want more, Dan, 2 exclamation marks. I want more, Dan, 2 exclamation marks in the comments below, and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Now, let's get excited because I'm ready to put carbohydrates back in your diet. I'm ready to help you not only boost metabolism, boost hormones, and fight the aging process. I'm ready to put high carb cheat meals like this, fruits. This is God-given gifts from trees out there in the world that are specifically supposed to be in your diet, okay? Everyone knows pH level in your body is key to warding off those horrible diseases, okay? You can't do that unless you're putting those into your body. Greens, all those great things that you know that you need, okay? But hey, we all love donuts, we all love bread, we love pasta. There's all these different cookies. Oh my gosh, don't have cookies in my house because I'll tell you right now, I'll eat them all. If you're looking for that to go back in your diet, high carb cheat meals, you have to do 3 things. First, strategic meal timing is key to success when it comes to staying on a long-term dietary program that's a lifestyle, okay? Number 2, strategic meal combos. So certain meals that are put together that release this and burn it off. Number 3 is implementing back in your diet high carb cheat meals, okay? Cookies, whatever it may be. You can have what you want, but you have to strategically put that back in your diet the way that we show you in the protocol. It's all called the Over 40 Hormone Reset Solution. Yes, it's a solution, and it starts on day 1. So if you have 1 day to give me to start, and you do this every single day you're gonna be resetting your hormones this way. You're going to be boosting metabolism this way. You're also going to fight the aging process this way, which is absolutely amazing. Goal, exactly. That's what we want. I'm excited for you. It's taken over 20 plus years and it's brand spanking new. Again, the Over 40 Hormone Reset Diet will help you. It's a solution. I don't even like to call it a diet because it's a solution. And it takes 1 day to start, and it works every single day that you use it from that point forward to boost hormones, boost metabolism, and fight the aging process. If you're interested, thanks so much for stopping on this feed. Click the link now.